Alright, 7 through 21 are really important and they're not very hard. Just like 1 through 6, it's more of an instant recall type of question, just to make sure that you know how to fill in blanks that you'll see on your test. So this is from your homework, but I'm going to show you real quick in this little video what your test looks like. So first let's look at 7 through 21. What we have, we need to match the properties over here, alright, into these columns. Now, I'm not going to do very many of them because they're right in your notes. If you took, let's see, no, I don't want to save that. Alright, this is probably a little too small for you to see, but if you took the notes on properties of subatomic particles, you can look. I talked and gave you every answer. These 3 for the electrons, these for the protons, then the neutrons, so, and then other information. But it's really simple. You just need to look it up and fill it in. So let's shrink that. Alright, now I'm going to actually show you a little glimpse of the actual test. Alright, let's see here. That's not the test. There it is, right there. Alright, so you should be seeing this. I don't want to put full screen. Alright, it says complete the following properties of subatomic particles. Alright, so on your test you have proton, neutron, and electron, and you have to fill in, for 13, you have to tell me the location in the atom of the proton. For 14, the charge. 15, the relative mass, 1 or 0. 16, the actual mass, and 17, the function. Alright, so it's very similar, we'll get that off now, to what this is saying. It's just a different format. So let's just focus on the electron since it was first there on the test, if I remember right. Alright, so electron does not give the physical properties. It's in charge of the chemical properties. So you would put a B here. Alright, it has a negative charge, so that's C. You should know it has a relative mass of 0, so let's find where that is. Alright, that's J, 0 mass units. Alright, hopefully this doesn't seem difficult. What else do we know about the electron? It lives outside the nucleus, so let's find its house. Alright, that's I. It lives in surrounding clouds. And then its actual mass is one of these two, and if you remember, it has to be the smaller of the two. So a negative 28 exponent is much smaller than a negative 24. So that would be L. Alright, so B, C, J, I, L. Let me write that J a little bit more clear because it's pretty confusing. I'll put a capital J, that'll be better. Alright. Alright, so that's easy. Now we just need to do it for the proton and neutron. You have to know how to do this for the test. It's extremely important. So you get it in 3 ways here. You have the notes on whatever page that is. I don't remember. That's right, your lab book. You have this question in your homework. And then you have it again on the actual exam. Super easy points that I don't want any of you to miss. There's no excuse. Alright, so make sure you do those in your homework and make sure you study. How often do I show you 15 problems from the actual exam? Not very many. Alright, that's all for that section.